Hello, this is Varun representing Team Farmling Nexus. Let me not take more time and get into the idea. So, as per the problem statement given by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, we need a mobile application for direct market access for farmers. As we all know, farmers struggle with middlemen losing income and their control over pricing. They can't access market and fair opportunities. So we have developed a completely new innovative technology, Kisan Sahayak app for farmers with offline accessibility and 15 plus language support. Kisan Sahayak eliminates middlemen and cuts down the commission culture. So let us understand this problem statement. So there are mainly four pain points of this problem statement. High commission fees. Farmers lose a significant portion of their earnings to middlemen. Delayed payments. Middlemen often delay payments, causing cash flow for farmers. Unfair pricing. Middlemen manipulate prices, leading to loss of farmers. Market access barriers. Lack of direct connections to buyers leaves farmers vulnerable to price fluctuations, hindering their income potentials. This all leads to the loss of farmers. So let us dive into the solution we bring. Implementation of mobile application that connects farmers directly to market to list their products. The prototype will function as follows. Farmers can list their produce directly on Kisan Sahayak with real-time updates on availability, quantity and pricing, allowing them to bypass middlemen and reach consumers and retailers directly. Built-in price negotiation tool, real-time bargaining and transparent pricing are some of the key features of Kisan Sahayak. Another key features of Kisan Sahayak are safe protected payments ensuring trust and timely transactions, AI-powered insights on market demand, pricing trends, and to make decisions on what crops to grow and when to sell are provided in Kisan Sahayak. Kisan Sahayak addresses the problem statement by empowering farmers to negotiate directly for better prices. It breaks down barriers and connects farmers to a wide variety of buyers. It strengthens control over sales with group selling. So let us look at the innovative features we bring into Kisan Sahayak. Video tutorial webinar, detailed video guide for farmers to use the application efficiently and make profitable trades, bid-based competitive marketplace, virtual ranks according to performance for farmers and buyers, voice assistance chatbot which focuses on bridging the literacy gap, multilingual support with 15 plus languages and chatbot support, payment security using blockchain, cashback point redemptions for buyers, contract farming feature for short, mid and long term orders which will help farmers to tie up with big retailers, community support, building farmers community and connection on Kisan Sahayak, optimized for low network zones, ideal for rural areas which will bridge the network issues for farmers. So here is a brief technology stack which we are using in building Kisan Sahayak application. Our team has made a detailed visual representation about the market situation and the on-ground problem and how Kisan Sahayak will solve this problem. So I kindly request to stay tuned and watch the video.
ये हेल्थ के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा खतरनाक है।
ये कंपटीशन की मार्केट है इसमें लोगों का इतना बुरा हाल है कि जिसका हिसाब नहीं है।
डिमांड एंड सप्लाई सर, मार्केटिंग का सीधा हिसाब किताब। आज डिमांड ज्यादा हो गई, क्या समझ बायर ज्यादा है,
पूरे
ऑटोमेटिक रेट बढ़
भारत
जाएगा,
के
चांस
लिए
बढ़ खराब नहीं है, धूप बहुत।
हमने एक सपना देखा है।
किसान भाइयों, खबर तो सुनी ही होगी आपने। आज एक ऐसी कहानी सुनाते हैं जो आपको ताजी उम्मीद देगी। मिलिए राकेश से, एक मेहनती किसान जो अपनी फसल बेचने में मुश्किल झेल रहा है। जब भी वो अपना अनाज मंडी ले जाता, बिचौलिए कम दाम देकर लूट लेते। फिर उसकी किस्मत खुली, राजू से मुलाकात हुई, जिसने उसे किसान सहायक ऐप के बारे में बताया। ये ऐप तो किसानों के लिए किसी वरदान से कम नहीं है भाई। सीधे खरीदारों से जुड़ो, अपनी फसल का दाम खुद तय करो और ऑर्डर भी मैनेज करो। राकेश ने भी इस ऐप को इस्तेमाल किया, बढ़िया दाम पर अपनी फसल बेची और पेमेंट भी टाइम पर मिली। अब तो राकेश के चेहरे पर भी खुशी छा गई और परिवार भी खुशहाल है। तो दोस्तों, आप भी किसान सहायक ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए और सीधे बाजार से जुड़िए। यही है आपका उज्जवल भविष्य। सीधे बाजार से जुड़ें, बेहतर भविष्य बनाएं।